Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to search for a photo in a Gmail space using your PC. This new update makes it easier to find what you need. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox. Next, look for the grid of 9 dots in the top right corner, next to your profile photo. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Chat. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Spaces to view all the spaces you're part of. Once you find the space where the photo might be, click on it to enter. After you're inside, look at the top of the space for the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. Click on that search icon, and a search bar will appear. Here, you can enter keywords related to the photo you're looking for, like the file name or a description. After you've typed in your search terms, press Enter or click the search button. The results will display any relevant photos shared in that space, making it easy for you to find what you need. And that's it. You've successfully searched for a photo in a Gmail space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.